Hello everyone, just giving you guys a brief update on the beefsteak tomato plant that I showed you guys about 3 weeks ago. As you can see, it is doing very well. It's nice and healthy. And I see some spots where I am going to be getting some flowers here soon where the tomatoes are going to grow, where those little fuzzy places are, those little buds. That is where the flower is going to come from and where I'm going to get some tomatoes from. I have a couple down here as well, right in there, and I have another one on this side over there. So I have three little spaces. Got one right here too, right there in the middle where I'm going to have some beefsteak tomatoes. Also, I have some backups that I just couldn't get rid of. Got two going right there, one going right there. They go in slow motion, but hey, we gonna get something out of them before the summer comes. But we're definitely gonna be harvesting off of this one in about a month or so. So I was just giving you guys a brief update. Hope you enjoy your day.